So
Okay.
Noble, what are you doing?
I'm taking off all my clothes except my boxers and going across the street, running and making noise. Go.
Go. Oh shit, there's a car. There's a car. Dude, there's a car coming. There's a car coming. There's a car right there. Fuck.